Good afternoon, all the students. Today we will learn how to create a single file using multiple images and how to keep those files in a single PDF format. आज हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फाइलों को एक साथ एक ही PDF फॉर्मेट में कम रेजोल्यूशन और ज़्यादा रेजोल्यूशन के साथ सेव कर सकते हैं. So the app which I am going to guide you is the Clear Scanner app. This app is available on your mobile phones like Android platform. You can download it by the Play Store and you can also download it on your Apple iPhone. Now this app works like a scanning software. So for this, first thing we have to download it from the Play Store. Like I'm using the mobile phone, Android mobile phone I'm using right now here. Now you can download it from the Play Store. Go to the Play Store and type Clear Scanner or Clear Scan. You will get this particular app. You can see this particular app here on the screen. Now first you will open this particular app. Once you download it, you install it and you open this particular app. You will get two different options over there at the bottom. आपको दो options मिलेंगे वहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ. Okay, you can see over there at the below part. At the below part you will see an image icon and a camera icon. Now with this image icon and the camera icon, image icon को use करके आपके पास में जो already saved images हैं, pictures हैं, आप उन्हें directly इसमें PDF में convert कर सकते हैं. Or for example you don't want to click the images, so the best option will be for you go for the camera option. So by using the camera option at the same time you will be able to click the images and you will be able to make a single file. Okay, I will guide you how you can do that. So first I am going to click on that camera icon. Now I click on this camera icon. You can see अब नीचे के पार्ट में you can see over there in the below part there is a page icon. Okay, that means a single file can be selected. एक ही फाइल का सिलेक्शन हो सकता है या एक ही फाइल हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एक ही पेज को हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Now I click on that particular page. Now the two pages are highlighted over there. That means the multiple images can be clicked. Okay, and at the same time these multiple images can be converted into a single file. So I click on it. Alright, now you can see this is the first page. Now I am clicking the photograph of this particular first page. Okay, now first thing you will keep the mobile phone still and click the photograph of that particular page. Now this is the first page. Alright, for example आपने अपनी आंसर शीट में लिख लिया है. Now this is the second page. ओके, सो सबसे पहला काम आप क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स कि आप अपनी जो आंसर शीट है उसे प्रॉपरली अरेंज करेंगे. गॉट इट? नाउ दिस इज द सेकेंड पेज. नाउ आई क्लिक द फोटो. दिस इज द थर्ड पेज. आई एम क्लिकिंग इट. दिस इज द फोर्थ पेज फॉर एग्जाम्पल. एंड दिस इज द फिफ्थ पेज. And many more pages you can click and you can convert into a single PDF file. The reason for getting this, normally the PDF file is comparatively use less space comparatively to the JPEG or the image file that you actually use in your mobile phone. You can see over there I have clicked 5 images and these 5 can be resembled by the number 5. वहाँ पे number 5 आपको दिख रहा होगा. Now click on that arrow, right arrow. I click on that right arrow. उस पर जैसे ही मैंने क्लिक किया तो एक और नया बॉक्स ओपन होके आ गया. Now this is batch processing option. Now first thing you need to make the border adjustment. So go to the filter and select clear over there and in the color you have to select black and white. Then click on OK. अब आपको OK पे क्लिक करना है. Alright. Now the border option shows that what particular type you actually want to select. Now it has 4 square and 4 circles over there. So whatever the type, whatever the things you want to select, you can actually, by using the borders, you can select it. जो कॉर्नर वाले ऑप्शन सर्कल्स हैं वो आपको बॉर्डर सिलेक्शन में हेल्प करेंगे, especially at the corners. Okay, now this is the first page I had done. You can see it with the green mark. First page I had done. This is the second page. I want to decrease it, I want to crop it. So by using this particular option you can crop it also. आप इसे crop भी कर सकते हैं at the same particular time. This is second page. Similarly the third one I want to crop it. Whatever the area I want to select, so I can select it with this green border option. Selection is done. This is the fourth page. You can see the number over there at the top. आपको उसी टाइम पे नंबर आपको चेक करना है कि आप कितने पेजेस आपने स्कैन किया है या क्लिक किया है फोटोग्राफ. So you can see over there it is 4 out of 5, 4/5. It is reflecting over there. Now again I click on, this is my last page. Okay, now I click on the arrow button. Now it is batch processing. Batch processing, that means एक single file create हो रही है. Now you can see all these files over there, all these images are now being converted from the image, it has been converted into the PDF. Now in the top right corner में there are three circles over there, 3 dots. Click on those dots and click on rename option. जैसे ही आप रीनेम ऑप्शन को क्लिक करते हो, फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू erase it, and then the second thing is you have to type your class. That is, if you are studying in the 7th class, suppose it is 7th class, okay, and then there is a student who is sending this particular file name as Aditya. So 7 Aditya. Then the question answer sheet, what you have answered for, कौन से क्वेश्चन पेपर के लिए आपने आंसर किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव आंसर्ड फॉर संस्कृत, सो टाइप संस्कृत ओवर देयर. ओके, एंड देन टाइप term 2, that is you are actually showing it, this is for the term 2 examination. Now click on OK. Now it has been done. Now you can see at the bottom part, नीचे वाले पार्ट में देखिए वहाँ पे मोर का ऑप्शन है वहाँ पे. So now you can actually save this particular file and you can print also. Now just near to more there is a sharing option. So click on share. Now you can see the PDF is already highlighted, the name of the file is already been there. Now in the file size में आपको क्या करना है, in the file size you have to make and select the smallest file. You have to select the smallest file. Okay, I select the smallest file. Now 5 particular images are just taking 1.01 MB in the PDF. Now the options are in front of you. WhatsApp, okay, and then first is the WhatsApp, then the Google Classroom, and then next is the Gmail. तो जिस भी ऑप्शन को आप यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल शो यू हाउ टू यूज दैट WhatsApp one. I will click on WhatsApp. Alright, suppose I want to send it to this Dr. Dr. SNQ. So I select it. Now I am sending it. Now you can see over there it is now sending. Now the whole file you can see 7 Aditya Sanskrit term 2. अगर मैं इसको ओपन करके देखना चाहूँ, so I can open it. I click on this using this particular, suppose I select Drive PDF Viewer. Now you can see all those images are in a single file, and that too in a clear formation. Next, suppose for example I want to share it through the Google Classroom. The option is also highlighted over there, through the Google Classroom. And at the same time, if I want to send it to the Gmail, suppose if I want to I will give you a Gmail ID over there. So in that particular case, if you want to send it through Gmail, so you can also attach it and send it. So for example, I click on Gmail over there, so automatically it will guide me. So from automatically it will select your mail ID over there. Then in the 2 you will type the email address through which you want to send. Suppose for example this email address I am sending it. Alright, subject, so you can type Sanskrit answer sheet. You can type your name also. For example, it is for 7th Aditya, so it is being typed over there. And by using this particular right arrow, the blue one over there at the top, you can send it. Alright, now these are all the options through which you can send your answer sheet back to us. Okay, this will hope this will help you and guide you. Thank you.